Hi, Windows 8. I decided to put Windows 8 on my HP DM1 laptop. Let me log in first, I can RDP to it. And I decided to record a video and tell you why I hate it. Okay, so I have seen a lot of videos and reviews and people say, wow, it's great, it's amazing because they gave you this feature, that option, and so on. I have to tell you, I hate Windows 8, and in this video I will show you why. Okay, so first of all, let's start with a very basic question. How can you install Windows 8 if you have an image? That's what I had, and my laptop HP DM1 doesn't have a DVD or CD drive. So what you can do, you can use a Windows tool, and that will allow you to create a bootable USB drive. Okay, so that's Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. It's a freeware application, you can download it from Microsoft, and literally all you have to do is to point to your image, click next, make sure USB stick is in your USB port, and that's it. Next, finish, wait 5 minutes, and you're done. Then you just go to your laptop and boot from a USB drive. That's it. Okay, and it went without any problems, really. The only issue that I had with this laptop was with my mouse pad. It didn't want to work with touchpad, and I had to download some drivers from the website. Okay, so going back to Windows 8, the first thing I did, of course, I disabled the Metro interface. I think it's, with all due respect to Microsoft, I think it's crap. And people, wow, it's so great. Yeah, I'm an IT guy, and I want to have access to my desktop straight away. If I want to have a nice, moving things, I can go and play an online game. So that's what I installed, and that is a classic start menu. Okay, and the good thing about this application is that by default it will skip the Metro screen, so it will go directly to my desktop. Okay, and of course it will give me a nice start button. Okay, so I can access all my programs like I used to do in Windows 7. I can search, okay, straight away. I don't have to go to, man, that's what I, for instance, hey, take a look, I can't access this thing. Oh yeah, okay, so search, okay, and I don't have to go to this application screen and search for the correct option. Okay, so another thing I do not like about Windows 8 is that they just forced all these changes. Okay, I can understand that Microsoft wanted to, to give you this Metro interface, and give you a new way to work on your PC. That's fair enough, but why did they decide to disable all these obvious options? Okay, so for instance, the first thing that I struggled to find was my control panel. Okay, I can see settings here. Okay, eventually I should see that. Maybe I will not. That's interesting. Maybe it takes time, whatever. But I want my control panel. Okay, I want to have everything on one screen that I used to have. Okay, I want to go to this screen straight away. I want to click on my start and go to control panel. Okay, that's what I want to do. I want to click on start and go to my document. Okay, I know that there are hundreds of ways to do that, and people, I saw some reviews, people say, wow, take a look, right now you can click here and you can undo. Yeah, that's fair enough, but it took me 5 minutes to find one option over here, and there is absolutely no point in changing that, because they could give you this option. Okay, another thing that I had a lot of issues with was my wireless. Okay, when I click here, I don't know why they did that. Maybe there is a way to do that. You can tell me how to do that. I can't refresh this screen. I don't know how to do that. And my Windows 8 gets confused when I first I tested it on using a Linksys access point as well, and it couldn't find the network, and there is no way to refresh. I tried to right click on it. There is no way to do that, because when I left click on it, it shows this this screen straight away. So literally I had to disable the wireless and enable it again. So that is something I don't like. Okay, task manager, something that people say, wow, it's great, and it is, fair enough. Here Microsoft did a really good job. They realized that we need more information about things that are happening on my PC at the moment. Okay, so that is really good. Of course, we used to have some tools that could show you everything, but it's nice that you have an option like this, and that is a really good thing. Okay, another feature that I like is when you want to copy a file or download a file. Okay, so let's go to computer, X. I prepared a really large file here, and I want to copy it to, let me just open another window. Okay, I want to copy it. Okay, and it shows a really nice screen, and finally after 12 years I can pause this operation. Yeah. Okay, something that is really ridiculous that we had to wait 10 years to get this option, but fair enough, we've got it now. But this is much better. Okay, so we can pause, we can see the speed and on the nice graph. Okay, and time remaining, everything, so it looks really good. Okay, another thing that I don't really like is that Microsoft decided to get rid of this arrow interface. I really liked it, and again Microsoft said, well, let's disable that because it will slow down your PC. Okay, let me make this decision. Disable it by default and allow me to enable it if I need that. Maybe I'm happy to pay, I don't know, £20,000 for my PC, and then any interface will run on it without any problems. Just give me this option. And I can tell you that with all due respect, it's not true that they said, oh, we want to make sure it's faster. No, not really. The truth is that they do not want to work on a feature like this, so okay, let's get rid of it and tell people, oh yeah, it will be better without that. Yeah, so I really liked it. Of course, right now you have this nice option, you can change the color straight away here. That's really nice, but I really enjoyed my arrow interface. At least they left you this preview, because I was not sure, maybe they will decide, no, let's get rid of everything. Okay, so that's my impression about Windows 8. I don't like it. They think that Microsoft will pay a big price, really, because especially companies, enterprises will not be happy to implement Windows 8. and maybe Microsoft, they're aware of it, and they will introduce Windows 9 in 2 years, because this system is perfect for tablets, phones, and so on. But to be honest, yeah, it loads faster, it works a little faster, but a lot of applications do not work. I had problems with Firefox. My antivirus is running, but for instance Cisco VPN client doesn't work, Firefox didn't want to work, so it will take some time to fix all these issues. Okay, thank you very much.